What if I told you that overnight, a meme coin that had been the talk of the summer just lost half of its value in a single day? That is exactly what happened on August 19th, when Wall Street Pepe fell more than 50% in less than 24 hours. For anyone holding the bag, that day felt like a tidal wave hitting out of nowhere. But was it really out of nowhere? Or were the warning signs there all along? Between May and July, Wall Street Pepe had skyrocketed, an 840% rally that made early buyers feel unstoppable. But here is the first investor question to ask. When a token pumps that fast, who is left to buy at the top? On August 19th, the music stopped. CoinGecko data shows Wall Street Pepe plunged from around $0.0000075 to $0.0000034 in a single session, a wipeout of more than half its value. Now zoom out. On that very same day, Bitcoin slid nearly 7% after $500 million in leveraged positions were liquidated across the market. When Bitcoin sneezes, alternative coins catch pneumonia, and meme coins like Wall Street Pepe get hit the hardest. For retail investors, this was the perfect storm: a fragile project, thin liquidity, and a market-wide sell-off. But the project itself was not helping. Remember those red flags? An anonymous team, a white paper that did not explain where tens of millions of dollars raised in the presale would be used, staking rewards promised and then canceled, and even a launch price lower than the presale price. That is like a company selling you shares at $10, only to list them publicly at $5 the next day. Would you trust leadership after that? Imagine if presale investors, finally able to cash out, all decided to hit sell while the broader market was tanking. That combination creates exactly the kind of waterfall we saw on August 19th. And for traders who confuse Wall Street Pepe with the earlier Wall Street Pepe rug pull from 2024, the name itself carries baggage. Sometimes branding alone can accelerate panic. Here is the speculative imagine if segment. Imagine if this crash was not the end, but the setup. Meme coins have a way of dying and resurrecting when least expected. If the team can deliver something real, non-fungible token launches, Solana integrations, or transparency around funds, could Wall Street Pepe claw back and surprise doubters? Or is this just another chapter in the short life cycle of hype coins that burn bright and fade fast? So let me challenge you. If you were holding Wall Street Pepe on August 19th, did you panic sell or did you buy the fear? Drop your answer in the comments. I will do a follow-up video responding directly to your takes. Quick recap before we close. Wall Street Pepe plunged 51% on August 19th. Bitcoin's crash and $500 million in liquidations triggered a market-wide sell-off. Wall Street Pepe's own weak fundamentals and past controversies made it especially vulnerable. The question now, was this the bottom or just one stop on the way down? I am Amira Blake, and this is your on-the-ground breakdown of what really happened with Wall Street Pepe. Like, share, and subscribe so you never miss an update, and click that notification bell so you are first in line when the next story breaks. Got questions? Drop them below. I will answer them in the next video. Remember, I am not a financial advisor, I am not an insider, and this content is strictly for informational and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research before making financial moves.